back to my channel. Today I'm doing a complete review on the new Anastasia Beverly Hills collection. Now, this is my first eyeshadow palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills that I purchased. I know the previous one, which is, I believe it's the Modern Renaissance palette, was a complete mess. People did not like it. They felt it was too powdery in the pan, so I kind of stayed away from it. But this palette over here is actually very beautiful. I love the shades that are in here. It's very neutral and natural, kind of for an everyday look or even for an evening look. Now inside, the colors are kind of leaning towards natural type of looks. I love the gold shades that are in here. That's what I use today on my eyes. And let's just go ahead and do a couple of swatches of these colors. I'll put in these gold shades. They are so buttery and pigmented. I mean, look at this. I'm pretty far away from the camera here. So look how pigmented these are. When I actually use them on my eye, they just kind of go on as if they're a liquid eyeshadow, especially this gold shade right over here. I was kind of thinking of putting a little bit of it on my eyelid, but it kind of spread out so nicely. I just kept piling that on. It's a really, really beautiful color. Now the one thing that I absolutely hate about this palette is the casing. It's a nice velvet case, but honestly it's already getting dirty, and I kind of have a little bit of OCD when it comes to makeup and what the packaging kind of looks like. But this thing is just, I know it's going to get very dirty even if you throw it into your bag. And makeup is kind of dirty. It's powder, we're working with foundation, we're working with creams, we're working with highlighters. This thing is going to get crazy dirty. So I know most of her palettes are probably in a velvet case, so I really wish she would change that. So I use this palette to create this makeup look. If you guys want to see a tutorial, please continue watching. I'm starting off with this burnt orange shade and blending it into my crease. Next, picking up the sienna shade, I'm blending it over that previous crease color to create a contrast. Using my Shape Tape concealer in light medium, I'm cutting my crease. I'm applying it all over my eyelid, just under my crease, and extending it into a wing. And yes, I am using Scotch tape on the outer corner of my eye to get a cleaner eyeshadow look. I'm applying this dark Cypress Umber to the outer corner of my eye. Going back in with a clean fluffy brush, I'm blending some more of that initial crease shade to get rid of any harsh edges. Since these shades are very smooth, I decided to use the black color in the palette to create a wing liner. The tape makes this much easier to do. Next, I'm using this gorgeous gold shade called Fairy and applying it in my inner corner. Over that gold shade, I'm adding this eyeshadow called Bronze, which is a more deep shimmery gold color. Again, adding more of the Cypress Umber to the outer corner and blending the two colors where they meet. I'm adding the shadow called Tempura to my brow bone to add a subtle highlight. Next, I'm removing that tape, then blending any fallout with my beauty blender. Using the crease colors, I'm blending them into my under eye. I decided to go with a burgundy purple lip color for this look, so I'm using the shade called Poet in the collection. Okay, I am really excited for this highlighter. This is probably why I actually bought this entire collection. It's all about the highlighter. Okay, so I've zoomed in, so let's go ahead and apply this highlighter. Now it comes in a very nice, luxurious type of case. It is limited edition after all. So honestly, I wish the case for the palette looked something like this. It's nice, it's clean, it's slick. So I'm not really a fan of that velvet case, to be honest. But this one's very nice. It has little stars all the way around. And then the powder itself. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. It kind of looks like a desert sand. It's very beautiful. And the thing is, when you put your hand on this, it's just so smooth. It doesn't feel like a powder at all. It's just very tightly pressed in there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and grab this Morphe brush and highlight my cheekbones. Because this is so tightly pressed, when you apply your brush on there, you don't feel like you're getting any powder. Oh my goodness, so pretty. This is definitely very beautiful. Some of my Cupid's bow, tip of my nose. I'm gonna put some on my brow bone right up here, just a little bit. What do you guys think? Really nice, isn't it? What I really love about this is when you put your brush in here, you don't lose that velvety, sandy type of look to the palette. It's so pretty. And that is my review. I really love this makeup look. I think it's very nice for an evening out. So I hope you guys like this video. Please continue to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification button to be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of your comments and your love. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.